Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple Pencil. Now, I have used many different types of stylus on many different other devices, mostly Android devices, but what I've found that separates this from anything else that I've used is the fact that it is pressure sensitive. I use this iPad here for my digital drawing, and way back when I would use my laptop that would fold so I could draw, I found what was very annoying is that I couldn't, adjust my strokes. With this pen, what's so amazing is that it is pressure sensitive. And so drawing is yards easier and it makes it effortless. Here I just opened up Procreate, and because it's pressure sensitive, you can make like thin, if you can even see that, lines like you're shading, or put some more pressure in it and you can make some heavier, thinner lines. But depending on how you want to hold your pen, it makes a difference. There's no lag either. I don't have to worry about this coming up later. And if you notice this, or you could see, sliding your finger or hitting the side twice, I believe, can change it to an eraser, which makes life a lot easier. And on the side of the iPad, this case that I have really helps demonstrate it, but there's a flat side to the pen where all you have to do is put it here and it begins to charge the pen for you. So not a separate charger for that, you don't have to have batteries or anything like that. So that's a look at the Apple Pencil.